Hi, I'm Mr. Hoover, and in this video we're going to look at problem 2i. Well, again you can see it has a coefficient other than 1 in front of the x squared, in fact -1 here. So it's a sad parabola and it does not work like a, b, c, d, e and f. It's more something like g and h. Because of the minus here. You have to be very careful here. Let's do that. F of x is equal to minus x squared minus 6x plus 6. So now you have to again factor out the minus for the first two coefficients or terms, plus 6. Whenever you're here, just think it through again. Well, minus x squared, that's right. And then minus times plus 6x is minus 6x. So that works fine. Now, within these brackets, the pencil brackets, I'm going to complete the square. Plus 6x plus half of this squared minus half of this squared, like this, plus 6. Now, let's differentiate these brackets. So red brackets, this is now a perfect square. So f of x is minus x plus 3 squared minus 9. Pencil brackets closed, plus 6. Now we have to distribute. So this times this and this times this. So f of x is minus x plus 3 squared plus 9 plus 6. So f of x is minus x plus 3 squared plus 15. Well, we know that the y-intercept is at 0, 6. The vertex is at minus 3, 15, and it's going to be a sad original parabola. So what we could do, we could sketch it like this. Well, then let's say this is 15, this is minus 3, then 6 could be around about here. So this is our vertex, and we know that our graph would probably look somewhat like this. And we're 100% sure that this graph does have zeros because it's a sad parabola and the vertex is above the x-axis. So this is minus 3, 6, 15. And we know that one of the zeros will be positive and the other one will be negative. And we could work this out quite easily. Look, again, we have to solve this equation. F of x is 0. For which x do we have a 0? Or for which x is f of x equal to 0? So minus x plus 3 squared plus 15 is equal to 0. Well, then you could say 15 is equal to x plus 3 squared. Now you can take the square root. So it's plus minus the square root of 15, x plus 3. Now on both sides we subtract 3, so it's x is equal to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 15. So that's two solutions. And here, as an approximation, this is with the plus, this is with the minus. So let's just work this out. Minus 3 plus the square root of 15. That's 0.87 approximately. And then here with the minus, that's approximately minus 6.87. Minus 6.87. Yeah, that's right. So this would be 0.87, and this is minus 6.87 here. I hope hope this wasn't too difficult. See you on the next one.